Welcome to the Berard Nature Reserve.
We're going to be hiking towards our 79th waterfall.
Yeah.
Beautiful hike along the way, going along the Berard River with some stunning views of the mountains.
We're going to follow the river for a while and take you with us. Let's go!
Good morning everyone from France on day 31, and we are in the search for our 79th waterfall.
And we're in the park, Vallon De Berard.
Nature park.
Yeah.
Your full nature package here.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like the look of the board.
Lots of walking trails.
There's a nice bit of parking here and opposite on the other side of the road as well, which is where we stopped.
This could be pretty cool, so stay tuned and come along for a ride with us. These views already, it's that couple of minutes into the walk.
Yeah, we haven't even started yet. It looks amazing.
Looks amazing. There's funny shaped faces carved. Is it a cat? It's like a gateway of carved statues. There's a few nice ones, but I'm not sure about what these are. They're all up here, watching down on us. Just to find these nature park, do a hike today.
And it's not too far, 20 minutes out of Chamonix.
It's quite an easy walk as well. Trail alert, trail alert.
I can hear running water. It sounds like a pretty big waterfall from here.
We're 100 metres from it.
Can we go down, please?
This is the first official French waterfall on packed lunch and travel.
Oh, this is exciting.
Yeah, we're just, there's a bridge.
I can see a bridge. It looks scary.
Oh good. It sounds really big. There's some crazy ladder steps and a bit of a bridge. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's not disappointing, is it?
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that lovely?
The spray coming off the end.
Yeah. Wow, that's lovely. I don't know what that bridge is for, but I'm glad we don't have to cross it. This is so cool.
Incredibly powerful waterfall. No, could find out. Or steep stairs to climb.
Wow, we're at the top of it now.
We're at 1,420 metres altitude.
Wow, that's quite a lot.
So we are high up here.
Yeah.
Lots of different trails.
And a little, what is that? Is that a cafe?
Yeah. Cheers everyone, get your cup of tea out. Or what have you got? Hot drink, cold drink. Cheers. Walking up the river on this hike.
It's nice actually, isn't it? Following it. Because you've got the sound of it always and then you get little views of it in between.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It seems to be getting better. It's just completely opened up.
Look at that.
We're back on these epic Alpine hikes, which we love now. This is what it's all about.
It doesn't get much better, does it?
Look at that mountain.
Look at that.
The altitude's gone to 15, 18 metres.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's routes up there. There's a bridge over there. We've reached Fontana Frida.
Oh, nice.
I think it's a really nice scenic point and it looks pretty damn nice to me.
Look at that view. That's lovely, isn't it?
Reached the summit.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. There's lots of gondola rides up to the mountain peaks in this area near Chamonix, but this is a bit more like us, a bit outside of that area.
I agree.
And it's really something, it's definitely worth doing.
Yeah, totally free as well, no charge for the car park, and you can spend days walking here. It's lovely. I think it's time for lunch.
Taking the scenic route down.
Scenic route is code for we got lost again.
But we're only 2 minutes, we're back on track now. Went through this little town of La Polla and there's like 10 houses there. It's mid of nowhere stuff, isn't it?
It's perched on a mountain and they've got a few cows and that's it.
Crazy.
It's very beautiful. If you've made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and if you've liked this hike, there's tons more in the playlist from this Alps trip.
Hit that subscribe button, tell everyone about it. We truly appreciate every single click of that subscribe button, so it helps us out, it helps the channel out. And we have got plenty more to come, and click the link of the playlist up there to see what we've done so far.
Yeah!
30 days of Alpine road tripping.
Oh my god, there's so much good stuff in there and there's more to come.
Definitely.
So we'll see you in the next one.